Not on the YouTube.
Thank you. How's it going?
One hand power washing.
I'm out here trying to get paid, and nothing's gonna get my way. I want it, I get it, I take it, and nothing's gonna get my way. Nothing's gonna get my way. Nothing's gonna get my way. Out here trying to get paid again, and nothing's gonna get my way.
Out here trying to get paid, had to cut it up, no fade. He and me on the Instagram, but nothing gonna get my way.
The package has been obtained. Let's go. We stopped to take some videos and footage of the car there. Stuff for TikTok. And yeah, now we're heading to the show finally. Arrived at Titanic. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise in this. We made it to the tubes. How's it going?
Yeah, I don't stand around acting tough. Record label still wanna snatch me up like Jackson stuff. Everybody mad cause they passed them up. I don't ask for much, maybe a sound system that's adequate. I'm attacking.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going?
Very warm.
Inside is roasting. Like, that's where
oh,
I've had
you are inside, are you?
Yeah.
Woo! You inside?
Oh,
How do you get inside?
literally just drove into the door.
Oh, joking.
It's like, come on in.
Only joking, your car's lovely. Deserves to be inside. Simon's massive now compared to when we last seen him.
He's the rock's lesser seen cousin, the pebble.
So ravenous, so passionate, it's no accident. These boys gassed up like flatulence. Need a main lines, cause they ain't hot in the game line, and they can't stop like a car with the brakes pop. At a club, paying K-pop in a tank top, every package, like they were for GameStop. King box, so they flail they lungs, tuck tail, they run just like cowards do.
Yeah, so 3 minutes to the show opens. Wee bit of a drizzle on. It's looking pretty gloomy today, but hopefully the rain doesn't stick about. Robert's eating his breakfast.
Tyler could do with his.
Haven't been inside yet to have a look. Just been grabbing a few wee things outside.
I'm out here trying to get paid, and nothing's gonna get my way. I want it, I get it, I take it, and nothing's gonna get my way. Nothing's gonna get my way.
Oh, my car up.
Nothing's gonna get my way. Out here trying to get paid again, and nothing's gonna get my way.
Out here trying to get paid, had to cut it up, no fade. He and me on the Instagram, but nothing gonna get my way. Yeah, I'm trying to get a check, get everything set. Flip it over, no bet, your release still wet. Lift it up, new flex, lift it up, new set. Lately I've been dreaming, turn them dreams into a sleepwalk. Know they out here hating, though I'm still talking that real talk. Grinding, been out here grinding, all day, all day, all day. Timing, putting all that time in.
What are you looking for?
The tyre size. Tyre size. 24540 because mine are too stretched. These look good.
Stancy boy.
Yeah. Probably not fit.
Focus, ain't no stopping this motion. Relay still coasting, potent, new wave, no ocean. Workflow still.
What's your favourite car you've seen? What's your car show for you?
Turquoise, in a second blue. That's what
I wasted all my time trying to realize.
What is car of the show for you?
Oh, actually. It's sort of torn, really. It's sort of between, there's like a mint green sleek in there, quite partial to. I do quite like that colour. Not everyone's cup of tea, but I quite enjoy it. And the red 86 from last weekend is unreal.
Personally, my favourite car of the show is this one.